Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change background in Zoom in Android phone. So in here, as you guys can see, I've already opened Zoom Workspace apps on my Android phone. And if you guys didn't know, Zoom has changed its name into Zoom Workplace, and some feature might be slightly different from the Zoom in the past, like adding background or change background. So if you want to change background in the new Zoom apps, you need to follow the steps. First, let's start a new meeting. Let's say that you are in a meeting and you want to change the background